How to remove Google account from Android phone. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to remove a Google account from your device. So in order to do that, you can just go ahead and open up your settings. And then once you're on your settings, scroll down until you find accounts and backup. Then you have an option to manage account. Just tap on it. Now from this, you can just go ahead and select the account that you want to remove and just tap on it. Once you head over here, you can go to your Google account information. But if you want to remove it, just tap on this remove account button. And what it does is it will delete all of its contacts, calendars, and other data from the phone. This data will still remain on your account and can be accessed by signing in again. So if you're sure that you want to remove it, tap on remove. Then you're going to have to provide a PIN or password to your phone and it will be removed. So it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.